Okay, hello everyone. So I made a profile sheet here. I only copied and pasted the data for the profile. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy also the codes here for the profile. So just highlight everything, copy, and then go to profile like that. And here we have the frequency. Okay, so how to compute for the frequency or the number of male and female in the data? So all you have to do is to press equals, frequency, open parentheses, highlight the sex, from the sex of the first respondent to the last one. So that's B2 colon B21, comma, and the array 1 and 0, close parentheses. So there are male who are 15, female are 5. Now let's proceed to the gender. Same with the gender, you just press frequency, parentheses, go to the gender data, the gender of the first respondent up to the last, comma, and the array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, close parentheses, enter. So there are 12 masculine, 2 feminine, there are third gender who are 3, preferred to describe self 3 and prefer not to say 0. And as of the age, we have frequency, parentheses for the age, highlight everything, and then comma, then choose the array of age, and then close parentheses, then enter. Okay, so there are 1 who are 17 to 18, 12 who are 19 to 20, 21 to 22, 5 students, 2 students who are 23 and 24, and there are no students 25 and above. So that is how you compute for the frequency for this one. So bonus lang, maglagay tayo ng percent. For the percent, so dapat 100% to, diba? So equals 15 over how many respondents? 20 times 100. Okay, 75%, and this one should be 25. So let me just try this one kung pwede. Okay, so this one, 60. And this one is 10, 15, 15. This is 60, 25, 10. Again, for the percent, you just have to press. Ulitin ko ha. For the frequency, you have to just press equals. That H3 there, that 15, divided by 20 is the perfect score, times 100. And drag it down. So here's your frequency and percent table. Okay, so I hope you learned something from me. Gawin na lang natin color. So I hope you learned something from me because this is very important to your thesis someday. Okay? So thank you so much for listening, and I'm gonna be finalizing your exam, which will be on Monday. Okay, bye.